So guys, here is my soap. You can see my soap. Okay guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, for today's video I want to teach you how you can make your 3 times whitening super soap. This soap is extra whitening. It contains AHA, that is your lactic acid, that will help in exfoliating every dead skin cell away from your skin. It will glow your skin, it will repair your skin, and on top of that it will whiten your skin. If you want to make use of this soap and you know that you're not the kind of person that apply cream on your body, then I advise you to make use of this soap this way. Here is the soap. This one is actually going out to a subscriber. So if you want to make use of this soap, just before you go to the bedroom, take a little, then massage all over your body. Of course, if you want to massage, make sure you have little water on your hand. You massage all over your body. This soap is for face and body. Massage all over your body and leave 20 minutes. Then you go to the bedroom and have your bath. Yeah, that is if you're the type that don't like applying cream, or probably you want this cream to work on your body very well. You want to see that whitening effect. Of course, you have to apply on your skin and leave for some time before you go and wash up. The truth is that even if you're using super whitening soap and you don't leave it on, there's no way they can work, because you cannot just apply soap on your body and you just wash it off immediately and you expect it to work. You didn't give it a chance to work, so it's not gonna work. So guys, just stay tuned and watch the way I made this soap. This soap is quite easy to make. Yeah, you can make this soap yourself. It's quite easy to make. And guys, please, if you've not subscribed to my new YouTube channel, kindly go subscribe to my new YouTube channel. So many people come to my WhatsApp asking me questions I cannot treat on my WhatsApp. So if you know you want to ask me any question concerning entrepreneurship, you want to ask question concerning how you can build up your online business, or you want to go into skincare business, you need you want to go into YouTube, you need any guidance, you need me to make videos for you, go and subscribe to HBM Uche. Yeah, I've changed the name of that channel to HBM Uche, so go and subscribe to that channel. Yeah, and I just dropped some interesting videos on that channel, like on how you can make your breast feminine oil, how you can make your flat tummy drink, 14 days flat tummy drink, and so many interesting videos are there. So just kindly go and check it out, and do not forget to subscribe. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you how I make this soap. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, before I proceed, please, I would like to apply my facial cleanser. I hope you guys remember this facial cleanser. Yeah, this is my whitening face toner. Check on my videos, you will see this among my videos, the facial white toner, how I made this toner. This is what I've been applying on my face. I'm actually breaking out seriously. This is because I want to see my period. So this is what I've been applying. Yeah, for like a week now I don't apply face cream. Yeah, I just wanted to give this a try, and like seriously guys, it's working. I don't apply face cream. This is what I've been applying on my face. Remember, this is a herbal decoction face toner with I made this with alpha arbutin. Alpha arbutin is a whitening powder. So check out how I made this whitening face toner on my videos. Yeah, just click on my head, on that edge you're seeing right now underneath the video you're watching now. Just click on that head, it will take you to see all my videos. Then go to a video where I titled the whitening face toner. You will see the way I made this. So this toner clears sunburn. I gave this to one of my clients in Ghana, because the one I did was actually 150 ml. I've been using the 100 ml. You can see the level where it is. So the remaining 50 ml I gave it to one of my clients in Ghana, and like as someone I've been clearing. Yeah, she sent me a picture and I was so happy. So I never knew that this cleanser here could do magic. That was why I had to like go and grab this one, and I started using it morning and night. So I use this morning and night, guys. The link to my second YouTube channel is in my description box, so just go and click on it and subscribe. Okay, let's dive into this video and you will see how I made this soap. Okay guys, so these are the soap I'll be using to make my 3 times super whitening soap. The first soap is Kojic acid soap. This is made by Lee. Yeah, Lee soap, Kojic acid soap, 7 days white, smooth as silk. Yeah, this is the soap. This is the soap. This soap is super whitening. At a time before I started using natural skincare products, I used this soap for a very long time, and it's very good. Yeah, another soap I'll be using is my piment dose soap. Here is my piment dose soap. It's super lightening also. Then I'll also be using my Ghana white moisturizing soap. So I need a grater for this. Before that, I'll be introducing to you other ingredients that will come into the soap. Yeah, we're going to use our Indian turmeric, we are going to use our Kojic acid, we are going to use our Snowhite powder, we are going to use our Sandalwood powder. Here's our Sandalwood powder. We are going to use our lactic acid. Then we are going to use our Lavender Essential Oil. We are going to use our Citro Clear Lemon Serum. We are going to use our rosewater. So guys, let me start grating the soap. So this one does not really need to start grating it. It's very soft. It just pieces the soap inside just like this. So here my grated soap, and on my formula sheet I'm needing just 240 of this. So guys, here I have 240 of my grated soap, my Kojic acid soap, my piment dose soap with my Ghana white moisturizing soap. So it's time for us to add in the remaining of our ingredients. My Snowhite powder is 6 grams. So here's my Kojic acid. So here come my Kojic acid powder. I'm needing 9 grams. Here is 9 grams of my Kojic acid powder. Yeah, I don't want anyone to waste. Powders are scarce and expensive now. So here is my Indian turmeric. Can you see it, guys? You can see the color. Here's my Indian turmeric. Here come my sandalwood powder. I'm going to drop all the recipe and the quantity in the description box below, so kindly check out the quantity there in case I'm not calling everything out. Yeah, here's my sandalwood powder. So here comes my liquids. I drafted out this formula in a way that you can use this soap. You will be able to use this soap on your face. That is why I'm actually using rose water. So here's my lactic acid. My lactic acid is 15 ml. Yeah, 15 ml of my lactic acid. Here is my Citro Clear Lemon Serum. $15 ml also. So next I'll be adding in my preservative. So my preservative is 1.5 ml. 5. So next I'll be adding in my Lavender Essential Oil. This soap will whiten your skin. It will not give you green vein. Never. It will repair your skin. You can use the soap on the face, you can use the soap on the body. It will clear every skin irritation. It will give you smooth and flawless shining skin. So here is my lavender essential oil. Yeah, so it's time to use my hand. So guys, here is my soap. You can see my soap. So I'm giving the soap out to a subscriber. Yeah, I'm giving the soap out to a subscriber. So if you find my video very interesting, kindly subscribe to my YouTube